Meanwhile, the West Bengal terror web is only widening. The interrogation reports of Razira Bibi, Alina Bibi and Badrul Alam gave graphic detail about the past activities of the terror outfit and their future plans, which mainly included carrying out strikes in Bangladesh and India. They have told interrogators that they were tasked with selecting many hideouts, fabricating improvised explosive devices, besides identifying, recruiting and indoctrinating possible cadre for the outfit of various madrasas. The terror outfits network in West Bengal and Assam was set up with the purpose of building an Islamic state in Bangladesh as well as in the three West Bengal districts of Murshidabad, Nadia and Malda through armed struggle to avenge the torture of Muslims in Bangladesh. Now, giving details about the plan, which failed after a blast took place inside a house in Burdwan on October the 2nd, the three accused told the NIA team that IEDs were transported to Bangladesh by absconders Sheikh Kausar and Qadir for terror activities. The NIA has announced cash reward for any information that leads to the arrest of 12 absconders for their alleged involvement in the October 2nd blast. It announced 10 lakh rupees reward to those providing information on 5 absconders and 5 lakhs for leads for the remaining 7 accused. And our correspondent Indrajit Kundu now joins us live from Kolkata for more. Indra, we understand that the interrogation of the arrested accused have revealed a sinister plot to set up an Islamic caliphate, including Bangladesh and parts of India. So what more can you tell us about this?
Well, the investigation does reveal a greater sinister plan of the Jamaatul Mujahideen operatives who had sneaked into India. Remember, the NIA has now come out clearly stating that all these, terrorists who died and who have now been captured, some of them, they all worked for the Jamaatul Mujahideen Bangladesh, and their main aim was to, perpetrate subversive activities against the Sheikh Hasina-led Awami League government back in Bangladesh. What interrogation has also revealed is that there was a aim to create a larger caliphate, which includes entire Bangladesh and parts of India as well, some of the districts of West Bengal, be it Murshidabad, Nadia and Malda. And that is the aim with which some of these terror organizations, and mostly Jamaatul Mujahideen Bangladesh, was trying to create all these subversive activities against the democratically elected government of Bangladesh there.
Indra, the NIA seems to have zeroed in on, some 12 suspects now. So what's the plan to actually nab them?
Well, ever since the NIA took over the investigation, they have not got much success as far as arresting the accused are concerned. Remember, there are 5 people who have now been arrested, but there are several others, especially the handlers of the people who died in this blast, in this accidental blast. They are still at large, and key aides like Yusuf, like Kausar, these are the key person, the Jamaatul Mujahideen operatives whom the NIA is trying to nab now, and that's the reason why when NIA Chief Sharad Kumar came to Calcutta, visited the blast site in Burdwan, he laid stress that the NIA would now, create strategies to nab the absconding persons, and perhaps in that direction, this is a step in that direction, announcing a bounty on any information that may lead to the arrest of these 12 dreaded Jamaatul Mujahideen operatives whom they believe have now sneaked into India and are staying here.